Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn about dot diagrams, how to read them, as well as their advantages and disadvantages. A dot diagram is a statistical diagram that displays data points along a number line. Below is an example of a dot diagram. A dot diagram is a quick way to display a small set of numerical data. Each dot represents one value in the data set. So, the total number of dots in a dot diagram will be equal to the total frequency of the data set. In this dot diagram, there are 20 dots. So, the total frequency for this data set is 20. This dot diagram that you see here displays the number of errors made in a spelling test for a class of 20 students. Notice that the horizontal number line has equal intervals to represent the range of values. In this case, it's the range of spelling errors from no errors all the way to 7 errors. Each data value is represented by a dot over its value on the number line. Notice that the dots are aligned horizontally and equally spaced vertically. We can see from this dot diagram that 3 students made no errors, 6 students made 1 error, 5 students made 2 errors, and so on. A dot diagram retains the original values of the data set, so we can tell exactly how many students made 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 errors in this spelling test just by looking at the dot diagram and counting the number of dots. In a dot diagram, the data values are arranged in ascending order, so we can easily tell the minimum and maximum values of the data set. A dot diagram also shows us the shape of the distribution, which will easily highlight the cluster of data values and the outliers if there are any outliers in the data set. For this data set, we can see that 7 errors is an outlying value. On the other hand, dot diagrams are not suitable if the data set is too large. Just look at this mass of dots. It is also not possible to compare two data sets in one dot diagram. If we try to merge the previous dot diagram with this new one, we can't tell the two data sets apart. Dot diagrams are also not suitable to display a data set with many different data values or a very large range. Look at this data set. The data values range from 1 all the way to 40, and there are 19 different data values out of the 20 data points. Hence, a dot diagram is only suitable to display a small set of numerical data.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.